happy good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another drive time. Wilma, good morning. Don't forget to thumbs up, mega love shout out. Blessed morning. I'm in Louisiana. Laura, welcome. This is drive time. Welcome to the line. Too happy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is drive time. Don't forget to smash that like button. Checker, too happy. Who else is here? Thank you, thank you. Good morning. Welcome, my brother. How you doing today? Welcome to drive time. I'm in the state of Louisiana, I-10 westbound. When you hear that ding, ding, ding sound, that means the vehicle in front of me is going slower than me. cars from behind me pass. It's cut my speed. Are you still waking up? I hear you, bro. I hear you. This truck in front of me is 65 miles per hour. So I just need to get around. Stuck at 65. Moved over because I didn't want to hold those cars up behind me. We call them four-wheelers. Come on over, come on over. Whenever there's a vehicle on the shoulder, those truck drivers move over for safety. Because somebody can get hurt. They can sit on the side. Always move over. Even cars, you should move over when you see a vehicle on the side of the road. It isn't bad. I'm on. Oh, I'm sorry. I said I was on I-10. I got off I-10. I'm on the go around. I'm on I-12. Sorry. Connected to I-10 and Baton Rouge. 68 miles. This is the. They call it I-12. Basically, here's the bypass. When I get into Baton Rouge, then I'm going to run into a lot of traffic. It never fails over there because construction and it's a little city and it's congested. Never fails. It is what it is. Life of a trucker. Hey, thank you. Share the live up, please. Share it out. Next, I would say 5 minutes. Nobody else comes on. I will end it. I don't know if people at work at this time. But it is what it is. Do it whenever I can. This stretch right here, there's no wait station. That's why I'm doing it. When I get further down towards Baton Rouge, they'll have state troopers on the side of the road. I don't really do it. Just trying to do team happy in the building. Just trying to do it safe. Blessings, blessings, blessings to you too. Perez, blessings. Share the live out, please. Another team member. Welcome. Regular shout out. This one, hammer down. Got vehicles coming on the side of the road. That's it. Yeah. Anyway, sorry for being on the days with it. Sassy, what's up, Sassy? Team Happy, another Team Happy member. Share it out, share out the live. Thank you for coming. Please come to the live. Thanks for coming. Make a love shout out. Make a love shout out. Team Happy members are showing up one by one. Glad to see you guys. Very happy to see you guys. Mega love shout out. I would love to come to the Philippines. I would love to come. All the videos I see, all the Philippine people, they're so nice. Rosita, make a love shout out. Friends, how do I make you money? How do I make you money? I'm gonna figure out how to make you moderator. Get moderating status. Make a love shout out. Share it out. Don't forget to come to the live. Yeah, don't forget. There you go. There you go. The Team Happy members are coming. We are in the state of Louisiana. Welcome to Prime Time. Oh my God, I'm so happy to see all the Team Happy members. You guys make me happy. So happy to see you guys. Make a love shout out to all you guys. Thank you, I will drive safe. Thank you, all my Team Happy members. You guys are awesome. So happy to see you guys. Thank you for the support. And I'm gonna plan to meet up. I'm gonna plan to come to the Philippines one time. You guys are so awesome. I'm gonna talk to. I'm gonna talk to the Team Happy. Team Happy. What's going on? I heard she's supposed to come, I think, next month. I'm not sure. But I would love to go to the Philippines. You guys are this weekend drop. Construction up ahead of 60 miles per hour, so I'm gonna cut my speed back. Team Happy in the building. Thank you guys for coming. One day I'm gonna have Team Happy raffle. When is it my win? I'm gonna have this money. I talked about that. Thank you. I will drive safe. Thank you for coming. Don't forget the thumbs up. Don't forget to give the live a thumbs up. Don't forget. Happy birthday, you guys are beautiful. Thank you for coming. Really appreciate you guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. That means a lot. Share it out. guys just welcome. Don't forget the thumbs up. Don't forget the thumbs up. Thank you for coming out. Really appreciate it, guys. Team Happy is represented. Team Happy is represented today. Welcome to Drive Town. And that's what the name of it. All my driving video, I'm going to call it that. The name is Drive Town. Please share it out. Invite some people over. Tell them to come and take a look at the highways and byways in this country. That's what we're doing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Always drive safe. Thank you for coming. Thank you for your support. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Can't find it, just look in the right hand top corner, those three dots. Hit those three dots and you'll see the thumbs up shows up. Let me cut my speed. This is a construction zone. And the speed limit is 60. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Over here is Louisiana, and Louisiana has a lot of like trees, green trees. It's like mid south, we call it. You know, you can grow a lot of things down here that we can't grow in Georgia. One thing they have down here, a lot of alligators. A lot of alligators. Sometimes you'll see a dead alligator on the side of the road that the truck, some car hit. I would let